Hey guys, this is Adam Papagan, a Hollywood tour guide, LA native, talk show host, musician, actor. I'm left-handed. But anyway, this is a new show called Adam Helps Angelo. Every week I help this guy named Angelo, Mike. He needs a lot of help. Just in the brief time I've known him, he seems like a very confused, troubled, not like psychologically, but he's got a lot of problems, and I just try to help him out. Like, anyone who visits Los Angeles, I try to give him a good tip. So here's our guest today, Angelo Mike.
Hi, Adam. Thanks for having me on.
Yeah, absolutely.
So I hope the intro went well for you. So I've got a problem.
Okay.
Today, I wanted to get a mobile mechanic on Craigslist to look at my car to deal with the overheating problem.
Mm-hmm.
Said it's probably leaking coolant. I've been going back and forth with them for 2 weeks. Finally got an appointment. They said 11:30 today in Burbank. I said, well, let me know where. They didn't say. 11:30 comes. I call them. 11:34. They say, oh, okay, we're heading out there now. I said, well, where can we meet? Or where they kind of brushed me off and hung up, and 2 hours go by. Still didn't hear from him. Call him, goes to voicemail. Called maybe 20 times, went to voicemail. I'm thinking they're messing with me. I'll cut to the chase. I texted him and said, hey, I'll pay you a lot more. Wink, wink. I'm not paying them more. If you can come, and because you're the only person who can help me. Then the mechanic, I guess his wife, they're both a team. She texted me back and said, we're coming, but he's in a business meeting, important business meeting. After I said I'd pay a lot more, which I would not have. I would have wasted his time if he came there. So I was really angry. I'm like, this guy's messing with me. I want to find out everything about him. I had to calm down. And then she said, we'll come today. I said, well, I said, I've already been waiting around. You said 11:30, didn't give an update. I missed work today. I was supposed to be working on a movie in a beautiful location 60 miles north. Couldn't make that. I texted the production manager. She said, well, it's already, the day's half over. It's no point, you don't need to come here. So the day was shot. I'm mad at them. And then she said, well, she said, I'm so sorry, but, do you want us to come or not? I didn't respond. I'll wait 2 weeks to respond. How about that? I'm very frustrated and angry. Adam, can you help me?
Well, Angelo, I think that this may be a blessing in disguise, because if this guy couldn't get it together to come get paid from you, then how could you trust his mechanical abilities? You know what I'm saying? If he said, hey, I'll be here at this time, and couldn't make that happen, why do you trust that he would be able to fix your car? So, you could have ended up with some, this knucklehead gets under your hood, and then he, would end up messing up the car more. Why do you need the mobile mechanic?
Well, because he's a lot cheaper than going to a mechanic shop, and I've been to like 7 or 8 mechanic shops for my overheating problem, and no one can fix it. I got a thermostat replaced, didn't fix it. New radiator cap, that I don't see why I needed that. Anyways, I've had people look at the radiator fan, the hoses, the radiator itself, nothing. Nobody can help me. So this guy said, okay, I think I can do it. I've dealt with a lot of Honda Civics, and that's where we're sitting on right now, is a Honda Civic. And I really just wanted to recruit somebody, maybe you or whatever, somebody, and help me just tip over my car and destroy it.
Yeah. Because
I thought that's the only way to keep my dignity, is to somehow fight back and say, now who's laughing? So I'm still frustrated because I need this overheating problem fixed.
Right. So again, I don't understand how this guy. Oh, he says he's fixed. I'm sure any of these, this is one of the most popular cars ever made, the Honda Civic. So I'm sure any mechanic you went to has also dealt with a lot of Honda Civics. If it was something as simple as a coolant leak, I think they would have done that already. So I don't think this guy would have been able to fix your car. And the way that you're positioning it, where there's winners and losers, and you have to fight back, and there's what's to fight? Like, it's cars break down, it happens. It's nobody's fault. You're looking for somebody to be mad at. I think it's your real problem, is you're looking at somebody to blame, when really maybe just being like, well, you know, when it does finally break, I'll just get fixed, and that'll be the end of it.
It's been 2 or 3 years.
So it sounds like it's not broken then. If you've had it for 2 or 3 years,
it is. It keeps overheating, and the head gasket did blow once. I had to get it replaced.
Yeah.
And so now, if it overheats too much, the head gasket will go. It will lose power, and I will barely be able to drive it.
Yeah. Yeah, maybe you should get a new car. Sell this one while you still can get some money out of it.
This will not get much. I don't want anyone to even have it with all the problems it has. I want to push it off a cliff and, and destroy it. Hello? Testing? Okay. So...
Well, if you want to destroy it, then I would recommend a junkyard or something like that. So a place that has the heavy machinery that could actually take out a big vehicle like this.
Check your angle. Make sure you're in the shot.
Okay, yeah. Sorry about that. It's, you know,
That's
the camera guy is a little
you're new. It's
novice.
all right. You're rusty. Yeah.
Okay. Well, rusty. I don't know. It's kind of you know, it's heavy to hold it in my hand, and I'm trying to fix your problems and stuff for you.
Yeah.
Well, good luck. Yeah, good luck.
All right, Adam. I couldn't do this without you. Thank you.
Well, yeah, I'm holding the camera, so you really couldn't. Yeah.
Okay. All right. Well, thanks.
All right. Well, okay.